food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wellness Warrior TV. Today we have a treat for you, an exploration of nutrition and healthy food recipes. If you're ready to elevate your culinary journey, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into today's delicious content. In the fast-paced world we live in, prioritizing our health can often take a back seat. Amidst our hectic schedules, it's essential to remember that what we put on our plates plays a vital role in our overall well-being. In this video, we embark on a culinary journey through the realms of nutrition and healthy food recipes, uncovering the secrets to a balanced and nourished life. The foundation of nutrition. To truly understand the impact of our dietary choices, let's delve into the basics of nutrition. Nutrition forms the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, influencing everything from our energy levels to our immune system. At its core, it's about embracing whole, real foods that provide a spectrum of essential nutrients. By focusing on a balanced diet, we lay the groundwork for a resilient and thriving body. Breakfasts that energize. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and rightfully so. A nutritious breakfast not only kickstarts your metabolism, but also sets the tone for mindful eating throughout the day. Consider incorporating a mix of proteins, fibers, and healthy fats into your morning routine. From hearty oatmeal bowls topped with fruits and nuts to protein-packed smoothies, there are myriad options to fuel your day the right way. Vibrant lunch ideas. Lunchtime offers a fantastic opportunity to infuse your body with a burst of nutrients. A colorful plate filled with an array of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only satisfies your taste buds, but also ensures a well-rounded nutritional intake. Explore the world of salads, Buddha bowls, and grain-based dishes that make lunch a delightful and healthful affair. Wholesome snacking. Contrary to popular belief, snacking can be a wholesome and enjoyable part of your nutrition journey. The key lies in choosing nutrient-dense options that keep you energized between meals. Think about snacks as mini meals, incorporating a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and a hint of sweetness from fruits or dark chocolate. Portion control and mindful snacking are the pillars of maintaining a healthy balance. Nutrient-rich dinners. As we wind down our day, dinner becomes a crucial component in supplying our bodies with the nutrients needed for recovery and repair. Consider recipes that feature nutrient-rich ingredients without compromising on flavor. From grilled salmon with quinoa to vegetable stir-fries with brown rice, these dinners not only satiate your hunger, but also provide a nutritional boost. Navigating dietary preferences. Embracing a nutritious lifestyle doesn't mean adhering to a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about understanding and respecting individual dietary preferences. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or following a specific dietary regimen, there are countless ways to tailor recipes to suit your lifestyle. The key is to find a balance that works for you, ensuring that your nutritional needs are met while savoring the flavors you love. And there you have it, food enthusiasts. A journey through nutrition and healthy food recipes that are as good for your taste buds as they are for your well-being. If you enjoyed these recipes or have any suggestions for future culinary adventures, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, happy cooking!